Hello, I am Saket Belnagar and I am a student of Achinkya D.Y. Patil University and I am pursuing my degree in BTech ITDS 4th year. Today I am going to present my internship review on mobile application development. Before I start explaining my project, let me give you a brief idea about the company where I am doing my internship. So I am working in Hungry, which is a company for food delivery and helping in creating an Android app UI and UX interface with the team of interns. In internship, I have been a part of both Android development Flutter and user interface team in this 4 months. So Hungry is a startup company based in Pune, and I'm working on delivery module domain application details. The motive is to create an application this is used to which will be used to supply food and to deliver it to the user, also helping farmers to directly supply the products to users through help of our solution. So this is the internship details, the time period I am working, the position as a Flutter developer intern and under the mentor Mr. Sachin Vailen. As we are developing the application in Flutter, so far we have completed the splash screen of the app, the UI UX design of the walkthrough screen, and later we will work on login and sign up screen. So this is the UI UX and this is the UI UX that we have developed. The learning objective is the Flutter is a cross-platform UI toolkit that is designed to allow code reuse across operating systems such as iOS and Android, allowing applications to work or interface directly with the underlying platform services or the framework. This is the DFT diagram. The user signs up, which goes to the database, and if it's correct, it takes the user to home page. Then he can use features, the application, and log out. And if it is incorrect, it takes it back to the sign up page. This is a more detailed DFT diagram of how the whole app works. Hardware and software. So Flutter is one of the most innovative technologies in the market right now, as it is developed by Google and help Android development on both platforms. The minimum hardware requirements are Windows, any operating system like Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, with at least a 4 GB of RAM and 100 GB of storage, and an Intel or better graphic card. For better performance, software needed is an SDK and any IDE, most popularly Android Studio, but I'm using a Visual Studio Code IDE. This is our current project status. We are doing the delivery module. Scope and limitations. Scope, as we scope, Flutter is a good as it is open source and it's mostly used for 2D design, which is mean to run on both iOS and Android. Limitations is Flutter is still an immature framework. Dart programming language is pretty new too, and Flutter are large and heavy to start with. Looks and feels is not 100% like the same as the native solutions that we have, and the framework and the Dart language is changing rapidly. Therefore, maintaining the code is difficult in the long run. Our future plans, we have already completed the home screen and are working on the delivery module screen. We aim to complete the application and provide an interactive solution through this application to our users. This is the reference. And to conclude, I would like to thank Achinkya D.Y. Patil University for internship and major project as a part of our final semester. The internship has helped me gain a lot of knowledge. Thank you.